Hello and welcome to Online Queries, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can create a Fruzo account. Now Fruzo is an online chatting website, so you can do it on your mobile phone or your web browser. For me, I don't really have a choice of using it on my mobile phone, so what I need to do is go to the web address fruzo.com. So it says it's a social networking for dating, friends, and online chat. So what I need to do is click on this Start Chatting Now button, the blue one on the bottom of the page. So this is going to appear. It's taking longer time than it usually should, so I'm going to refresh it. So basically what I can do is click on sign in with Facebook, and then a pop-up like this will appear, so I'm gonna continue as my Facebook account, and it will immediately start creating my account, and then you have to allow this. If you don't allow that, it won't kind of work for you to be able to chat on the website and all that. So this is how you create your Fruzo account. So if you want to reset your password for Fruzo account, the thing you would have to do is reset your Facebook account password and all that. For that you can view all other video where we show you instructions on how to reset your Facebook account. So make sure that you know which Facebook account is associated with your Fruzo account and then go ahead with it. If not, it will be quite an hassle. After you're done using the website, you can click on this gear icon, hover over it, and then when this logo pops up, you click on it, and then you will be signed out. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.